Crash Course on the Dominican Republic, History and Culture. Welcome to a crash course on the history and culture of the Dominican Republic. Join us as we delve into the rich tapestry of this Caribbean nation, exploring its fascinating history and diverse cultural influences. We'll share intriguing stories and examples, followed by a detailed list of the top 12 attractions that showcase the country's historical and cultural heritage. Lastly, we'll conclude with a poem that celebrates the vibrant history and culture of the Dominican Republic. The Dominican Republic is a land shaped by a captivating blend of history and culture. Here are some interesting stories and examples to ignite your curiosity. 1. Taino Legacy. Discover the legacy of the indigenous Taino people, who inhabited the island before the arrival of Christopher Columbus. Learn about their customs, spirituality, and contributions to the country's cultural heritage. 2. Spanish colonization. Explore the era of Spanish colonization, when the island became a crucial hub for trade and the center of Spanish influence in the Americas. Visit Santo Domingo's Zona Colonial, the oldest European settlement in the New World, and walk in the footsteps of the conquistadors. 3. African heritage. Experience the vibrant African influences that have shaped Dominican culture, particularly in music, dance, and religion. Learn about the Afro-Caribbean traditions of merengue, bachata, and voodoo. 4. Haitian influence. Discover the intertwined history between the Dominican Republic and its neighboring country, Haiti. Explore the cultural exchange, shared traditions, and challenges that have shaped their relationship over the centuries. 5. Independence and dictatorship. Uncover the struggles for independence and periods of dictatorship that the Dominican Republic has experienced. Learn about historical figures like Juan Pablo Duarte and Rafael Trujillo, who played significant roles in shaping the nation's destiny. 6. Carnival celebrations. Immerse yourself in the exuberant spirit of Dominican Carnival, a vibrant celebration of music, dance, and elaborate costumes. Experience the energy and joy of this cultural festival, celebrated throughout the country. 7. Colonial architecture. Admire the architectural gems that dot the Dominican landscape, showcasing a mix of Spanish, French, and Victorian styles. From grand cathedrals to colonial mansions, each structure tells a story of the nation's past. 8. National museums. Visit the country's museums, such as the Museum of the Dominican Man and the Museum of the Royal Houses, to delve deeper into its history and cultural heritage. Discover artifacts, artworks, and exhibits that shed light on the nation's identity. 9. Historical forts. Explore the fortresses and military structures that once guarded the coastlines of the Dominican Republic. Castillo de San Felipe in Puerto Plata and Fortaleza Ozama in Santo Domingo offer glimpses into the nation's strategic defenses. 10. Cultural festivals. Engage in cultural festivals that highlight the Dominican Republic's diverse traditions and artistic expressions. From the International Book Fair to the Santo Domingo Music Festival, there's always something to celebrate. 11. Coffee and cacao plantations. Experience the country's agricultural heritage by visiting coffee and cacao plantations. Learn about the cultivation and processing techniques while savoring the rich flavors of Dominican coffee and chocolate. 12. Indigenous art and crafts. Appreciate the skills and creativity of local artisans through indigenous art and crafts. From intricate pottery to vibrant paintings, these artistic expressions reflect the country's cultural diversity. In summary, the Dominican Republic is a treasure trove of history and culture, shaped by indigenous roots, European colonization, African influences, and neighboring connections. Its rich heritage is celebrated through festivals, music, dance, art, and architectural marvels. And now, a poem that embraces the soul of the Dominican Republic. In the heart of the Caribbean, where history resides. The Dominican Republic, where culture abides. From Taino roots to Spanish conquest's might. A tapestry of influences, a vibrant delight. African rhythms, dances that ignite. Haitian connection, stories intertwined, bright. Independence fought, dictators cast in shadow. Carnival's joyous spirit, a nation's pride to show. Colonial grandeur, architectural grace. Museums unveil the past, tales we trace. Fortresses stand strong, guarding shores. Cultural festivals bloom, tradition soars. Coffee's aroma wafts, chocolate's delight. Indigenous crafts and art, colors ignite. The Dominican Republic, a vibrant blend. A journey through history, where cultures transcend. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $aid = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for supporting our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.